Hello friends, this is Rashmi Singh. You all are welcome to VU Vision Unlimited. Today we are about to study sound of vowel A. We could use 7 types of A. Let's know. First one is T. T means star. A, T, at. R, A, T, rat. C, A, T, cat. B, A, T, bat. M, A, T, mat. H, A, T, hat. And second one is B. B means bird. A, B, ab. C, A, B, cab. F, A, B, fab. T, A, B, tab. D, A, B, dab. L, A, B, lab. Third one is D. D means da. A, D, ad. So, D, A, D, dad. S, A, D, sad. L, A, D, lad. H, A, D, had. M, A, D, mad. Fourth one is G. G means girl. A, G, egg. BAG bag, LAG lag, TAG tag, RAG rag, GAG gag. Fifth one is M. M means ma. AM, JAM jam, CAM cam, DAM dam, RAM ram, YAM yam. Sixth one is N. N means na. ANN. MAN man, CN can, RAN ran, FAN fan, VAN man. And seventh one is P. P means pa. AP app, CAP cap, MAP map, TAP tap, GAP gap, NAP nap. Thanks and keep watching.